Hey folks, Amanda Rueda here with GitLab. I'm a product manager for the product planning team. Wanted to record a super quick video because I've been playing with this new feature we've been dog fooding, GLQL, GitLab Query Language. And it's a really powerful way to pull back data out of GitLab. And in particular, what I'm going to show you is my release planning issue. This is an issue that product managers here will create in advance of the upcoming Sprinter release, where we're planning the work that we're going to be including in conjunction with our engineering counterparts. But the GLQL is really cool because in the past, I would create like a table of issues and it's a lot of copy and paste. And if I wanted to include something that has like updated information like status, workflow status, or health status, or assignee, I would have to come in periodically and update that information. Whereas GLQL is constantly auto updating. So anytime somebody comes to view the issue, they're going to see the most up-to-date information. But the reason why I got really excited today is because a new feature was released yesterday where we can now display labels in a column specific to that label. So if I wanted to use, if I have a workflow label series, I can show the value of that. So I'm going to do a quick screen share here and show you what I'm talking about. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm really excited about this. So this is my planning issue. I just have a bunch of quick links here, and then this is my planned work. So GLQL is as easy as using 3 backticks, then typing GLQL. In this first section, which is segmented by the little dashes, 3 dashes, this is your display section. What are you going to show? If you don't show display table, it's going to display as a list, like a bulleted list. So I have it displaying as a table, and the fields I want to show is the state, currently that's open and closed, the title, assignees, weight, the epic, and I should mention I'm showing issues, so I'm in an issue. So I'm showing the parent epic, the health status, the last updated, and then a bunch of workflow label values. This is a lot of data for one table, so I might get rid of these things which are less important to me and just keep workflow, but we'll see how it goes. After the dashes, then, after the display, this is your filter criteria. So I'm saying for the project, for this particular project, show the label, show issues with the label group product planning. So that will refine it just to my group's issues plus the milestone 17.5. And up here, I'll just explain, this is going to show, you'll see it in the table itself, but this is going to show a column for any value that includes workflow in the label. And we at GitLab use workflow labels. So it's workflow : and then some value, as well as type. Type is also a scoped label. So it's either type bug, type feature, type maintenance. And then these are just regular labels. It's either marked as deliverable or it's not, and it's marked as a spike or it's not. So if I go ahead and preview, now I do have a lot of blocks, so it's going to give me that message. But if I preview, you'll see that I get my open close state, I get the title, who's assigned, weight if there is any, the epic parent if there is one, health status, the last update date. Again, I can order these columns the way I want. It just depends on how I type it. And here's our workflow labels, type, whether it's a deliverable or a spike. And you can see like, here's a deliverable and here's a spike. So again, I might remove those so that I don't have so much content. But we require that we have a workflow label on every issue, that we have a type on every issue. And this also makes it really nice and easy for me to scan to see, okay, where are we missing our labels so that I can go in and update and keep good label hygiene. So I'm so excited about this. I can't tell you the number of applications that you could use for GLQL, but today I just wanted to show you my milestone planning issue. Hope you enjoyed it. Please leave any comments if you have questions, or leave questions in the issue or the epic. I will put in the description of this video in case you want to contribute to the conversation. Have a good one.